Well, a few moves over the last week or two, and particularly on the daily charts at the moment. So for this week's Trades of the Week, we're going to focus on really what's happening on some of those longer term charts. And I'm starting off with one of the biggest markets in the world, which is Euro against the US dollar. So I had a great short here towards the end of October. But since then, we've taken profits on it. We hit the natural bottom of our natural trading range. Since there, we've had that opportunity to buy. So no sniper on this one, but we're seeing the price come from the bottom of the price envelope, starting to bounce back up again. Green vector average line, green on the trend signal line here. So below 25 as well. So very oversold, indicators turning from red to green, nice opportunity to buy. But what makes it a better opportunity to buy, the sort of buy I'd like to take, is the longer term trend. If I just quickly refer to the monthly chart, believe it or not, this line here is green, telling me that the market is in an uptrend for now, at least anyway. So what this is telling me is that the path of least resistance is higher, and as such, opportunity to buy here on the 14th of November, 134.56. We're now 60 points good on the trade at the moment. I'm expecting quite a bit more from it, to be honest with you. I'd really like to see prices push above 138, but it's very early stages in the trade, but certainly moving along in the right direction so far. So textbook buy, swing trade with the trend, and a nice opportunity to trade there. 14th of November, Euro, US dollar. Well, we've also had another couple of currency pairs. There's a couple hit target just recently. So first of all, sterling yen, which is a market that actually gave a little continuation to buy here. We had that little pullback, nice little one-to-one trade against the trend here in late September. That then led to what we call a continuation buy here on the 11th of October. Set and forget, guys. It's one of the great things about trading with trend signal, that you have a nice rally, it pulls back. Now, if you'd have moved your stop to break even, you'd have been knocked out of that one, and you'd be sitting there thinking, oh god, you know, just a flat trade. Whereas actually the market last Friday rallied considerably into all of last week. Sterling against the Japanese yen, hitting target Friday. There, that's my target, this pink line, 161.11, target hit, and a nice profit there, literally just shy of about 395 points there. So really, really nice move on sterling yen continuation. Yes, it took a little while, but actually it's the result that matters. So we're in that trade for maybe 4.5 weeks, and a really nice 395 point move there. Similarly, dollar yen, again a very slow moving market, but again the power of that set and forget. A lot of resistance up in this sort of 130 area there. Market hitting it once, back again in beginning of September. Again, that third time we've gone to that level, found an element of resistance. The good news is any trend signal trader will be looking to take profits at these levels here. So around this sort of 100.3, maybe 100.2. Either way, from original entry at 98, you're looking for a minimum of 200 points on this move again. Why are we taking this trade when there's no sniper? The reason why is because it's with the trend again. So a bit like that euro dollar buy, no sniper, but that trend, that full force, the form guide, if you like, is telling us this market wants to push higher. It has a preference to moving up. The path of least resistance is up, and as such, we prefer buys. There's the buy. There's the target. Market hits it on Friday again, like sterling yen, and finding an element of resistance from that level. No surprise, really. These dotted lines work like magnets, really, and what do magnets do? They attract and then they repel. So market sucked to it, hit it, and then bounce back from it as well. So really nice move on dollar yen again, and profits taken on that market also. And a trade that we're in at the moment, which is just quite early in its early stages, I guess, really. We had a nice short on UK ore a little while ago, but we've had a buy sniper here today, about a week ago. So this was done on the 11th of November there, so literally just after the last market news version. So here we are, 106.45. We're now 150 points up on this trade, about 160 points up indeed. Market again moving very nicely in the right direction. I'm expecting more upside here because the market is in an uptrend on the monthlies, so I'm expecting a little bit more of a push to minimum of 111, maybe up to 112.5, but really looking to a minimum of 111 there where my cursor is right there. If we can get there, from 106. That'll be a 500-point rally. A really nice move. And a lot of profits potentially to be had there on UK oil. Certainly more action in the upside at the moment, at least anyway, on UK oil or Brent crude than there is on US oil. So it seems to be a lot more strength going on there. So keep an eye on that one if you're not already in it. Otherwise, sticking with commodities, silver hit target last week on a short in a downtrend. Why is it a downtrend? Well, look at this thing. You know, the market's been in a crazy downtrend for quite some time now. Up at 35 at one stage, not that long ago. Here we are now down at 20. So there's our short. Indicator turning from green to red. There's our short. Down to the bottom of the price envelope. Hit it. Target. Very nice there. So short from 21.89. About 150 point move there on that. May not sound a lot, but on silver it's a slower moving beast really, so that's not a bad move to tell you the truth. Nice short, green to red, easy to identify, above that 75 grey line there, nice enough short, and again equally on gold as well, having a little bit of a weakness again today, but there's the same short. Okay, 31st of October, 1322.7. We've actually fallen down to its lows. We've fallen just over 600 points down to its lowest point there, Monday, Tuesday last week. So really nice move again, hitting that first target. Will it get down to this 1256, 1255 area? Time will tell. But certainly at this stage, we're short. A lot of trend signal users have already taken profits. Some of them are still holding out for this lower prices. But a nice move. Definitely a nice move. It's just a question of that green to red. Downtrend still on gold on the monthly chart. So we're preferring the shorts and we're just looking to ride that major direction there. And then finally, as we look at the indices, I'll quickly look at the FTSE. So FTSE just really holding steady around this area there. We had this great buy here in October and then that pullback here. We had the nice short opportunity there from the 6th of November. Now, I told trend signal users to look to take profits pretty early, down to those pivot points. Now, some people got out around this level here, but actually what I was really hoping for, and the level that I called in the workshop to trend signal customers, was 66.32. That's where I was hoping this market would get to. That previous level there. This is against the trend, so we're looking to take profits quickly. So we have to be looking at those intermediate levels. So the market had a little bit of a, messing around, non-farm payroll, the rally here, and then we gave back again. And then here we are on Wednesday last week, coming down, spiking down to that 66.32 target area. So from a short from 67.43 down to 66.32, it's 115 points, 110 points, and a really nice move, to be honest with you. Quick. What it does from here, frankly, I don't really care. But also, I'm not too sure. We've got quite a lot of support in this 66.30 area, which is why we took profits there. Common sense would suggest a bit of a Santa rally coming into Christmas, but with VIX as low as it is, it feels like the market may have a little bit more to fall first before a little squeeze into Christmas. But notwithstanding, some really good moves on really what are some of the major markets there. So today, Euro dollar, sterling yen, dollar yen, UK oil, gold, silver, and FTSE. Some really, really big markets there and picking up some great profits on those trades. Thanks very much for listening.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.